If a car uses 2 hours to consume 10 liters of petrol, how many liters is consumed in 5 hours and B, 30 minutes? This kind of question falls under inverse proportion. So when we take our solution, with inverse proportion, it would always be given 3 values or 3 parameters in the question. Out of the 3, 2 will form the fraction. So let's write our data down. From the question, that is with the A, we have 2 hours from the question. We also have 10 liters. And now A, we have 5 hours. So like I was saying, the values given will always be 3. So the 3, out of those 3, 2 will form fraction, and the ones that will form the fraction will be the ones with the same units. So we have 2 hours and 5 hours. Now, how do I know if the 2 goes to the down or the 5 goes to the down? We go back to the question to ask ourselves, if a car uses 2 hours to consume 10 liters, that is, for 2 hours the car consumes 10 liters. Now the car is moving for 5 hours. Will the car consume more liters of fuel or less? For 2 hours it consumes 10 liters. So for 5 hours, will it consume more or less? Logically, it should consume more. So if more, less divides. So once you say less should divide, it means the smaller one becomes the denominator. Therefore, I would be having 5 hours out of 2 hours by the third parameter, which is 10 liters, such that hours cancels hours. So I would be having 5 over 2 times 10 liters. So 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 10, 5. So now I have 5 by 5 liters, which is giving me 25 liters of fuel. So in 2 hours, the car consumed 10 liters, but in 5 hours, it will consume 25 liters of fuel. So the B, what do we have? For the B in the question, we were given 2 hours. Then we had 10 liters in the question. Then for the B, they said for 30 minutes. With this one, we can see that the units are not quite the same, but it is still time. So we change the hours to the minutes. Therefore, 2 hours should give us 120 minutes, so that we can now have a uniform unit we can work with. Now let's go back to the question. They said a car uses 2 hours to consume 10 liters. Now, for 2 hours, it consumed 10 liters. The car is now working for only 30 minutes. Will the car consume more fuel or less fuel? So if 2 hours is 10 liters, then 30 minutes should give us less. If less, more divides. So once you say more should divide, it means the 120 goes to the down as a division. Therefore, I will be having 30 minutes over 120 minutes, because you said more should divide, times the last one, which is 10 liters. So the two which are the same form the fraction. Therefore, minutes cancels minutes. I should be having 30 out of 120 by 10 liters. Where 30 cancels 30, 30 into 124. Then 2 here, 2. 2 here, 5. So now we have 5 out of 2 liters. And 5 over 2 is 2.5 liters. So the car will consume 2.5 liters of petrol in 30 minutes.